Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Xerox extension 7.208.0.0 error. Type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open printer spooler service. Click start the service. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click run as administrator. Click and expand H-key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand control, click and expand print, click and expand environments. Click and expand Windows x64, click and expand print processors. If you find your Xerox printer name, simply delete it. Type print management in Windows search bar, click print management. Click and expand all printers, delete Xerox printer. Type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open print spooler service, restart the service. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.